Hello everybody and welcome back to Excel in 5 minutes. Today we learn about the average fraction. If I want to do what the average number of the category here, I have car and toy. I write equal AV and then open me a little box and I choose the average and then I remark all the numbers that I want, and after this I close this and I press on enter. If I want to check myself, I stand on the number and then I press on F2 in my keyboard and then I see all the number that I checked. Let's do one more. Here I have table of food, milk, salmon, and I want to do average, so I write equal AV and then I choose what that I want. I can open for here if I want. I remark all the number and after this I press on OK button. That's it. If I want to check myself also, I can press on F2 and I see all the number that I want. If I want to organize this number, I can here and here, as you can see, open or close this. That's it. Please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.